Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I create this highlighted mahogany bob wig. It's my birthday coming up and I'm going to New York, so I thought I'd create the perfect wig for my trip, and I'm also filming for my hair business, so I thought it'd be perfect to show you how I create this look. So you need the essentials, which is a wig cap, a couple of T-pins, your needles, your hair. I'm going to be using one pack in this instance, and if I run out of hair, I'll just dip into the second pack, but I want it to be as flat as possible. And I still feel that my hair is quite full because I really want it to be quite flat. So I suppose when I return from my trip, I'm just gonna use a thinning scissors. So I'm placing the closure on top of the wig cap, and I've measured everything, and I'm just gonna use the T-pin to lay it flat. And then I just want to pretty much just section all that bit off and then sew on the closure to the cap. So once I've done sewing on the closure to the cap, I'm going to take the bundle of hair and start sewing it onto the bottom half of the wig cap, or the nape area. So once I'm done sewing the nape, this is the only part of the weft that I'm going to cut off, because I really want the back to be as flat as possible. And then I'm going to use a 2-finger method just to determine, how far apart I want the wefts, because again, I want the hair to lay flat as possible. So yeah, I'm sewing as planned. I'm done sewing, so this is how the wig looks. It looks a hot mess right now, but I'm going to try and snip it off, snip the ends, and just get it to how I would like it to look like, basically, in terms of length. So snip it off, and then once I'm done snipping and I've created the part, I'm going to take my bleach as well as my colour, and then I'm just going to use a comb to create the highlights. It's a rat tail comb, and just because I want highlights all over. And what I actually realised that whilst I was filming, I didn't need the colour because I really like the light brown that came out of it from the bleach. So I am going to tone it once I'm back, but I think I love the results. And then I'm just straightening, and I actually used a scissors as well as to cut it, as well as clippers too. So again, I feel like I'm okay with the wig for now, but once I return from New York, I feel I'll be doing quite a lot of customization, because yeah, I'm a bit OTT and extra like that. So I've added some clicks to the side, so the wig is pretty secure. I don't really like elastic bands, so I just ensure that the wig fits properly, and it fits my head shape well, so, and it's nice and snog, and the clips just do it justice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was nice and quick, and hopefully you can start making your own wigs. They're relatively easy, but it does take time to sort of understand and perfect the skill. So I'll catch you in my next video, and I will see you later. Bye!